In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix Studio in PC. Wix doesn't offer a native desktop application, but there's a simple workaround that gives you an app-like experience on your Windows computer using Google Chrome. This method lets you open Wix Studio or your Wix dashboard in a clean, dedicated window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, so it feels like a standalone app while still running through your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your PC and heading to your Wix dashboard or Wix Studio. Make sure you're on the page you want quick access to, whether that's your main dashboard or a specific workspace you check frequently. Being on the exact page matters because the shortcut you install will open right there. Now look to the top right of Chrome for the three dots icon. That's the browser menu. Click it to open the Options panel. From there, choose Cast, Save, and Share. This is where Chrome groups tools for saving or installing the current page. In that submenu, select Install Page as App. Chrome will handle the rest, creating a dedicated window for that page and placing a shortcut in your system so you can launch it like any other app. When it opens, you'll notice it feels cleaner and more focused, which is great for staying productive. A few quick notes so you know what to expect. This isn't a separate Wix program. It's the web page running in a streamlined window powered by Chrome. Because of that, you'll still need an internet connection, and you'll sign into Wix just like you do in the browser. Your work, settings, and permissions all stay exactly the same. If you rely on features like previews, editors, or site settings, they function normally inside this window. It's simply a more direct way to jump into Wix without hunting through tabs. If you don't immediately see the install page as app option, make sure you're using an up-to-date version of Google Chrome, and double-check that you're on a standard Wix page rather than a transient screen. Also, remember that the shortcut opens to the specific page you installed from, so pick the view that makes the most sense for your workflow. That's all it takes. Go to your Wix dashboard or Studio in Chrome, click the three dots, select Cast, Save and Share, and choose Install Page as App. In just a moment, you'll have a convenient, app-like Wix window ready on your PC, making your daily workflow faster and more focused.